What is this diaper?
You want to push her off? Go for it.
Hey puppies. Hey, you gotta stay home. I'll be back. Okay, so I gotta go. Fuck, I left the window open. There are mice in here now. Well, there's still a lot of Cheerios on the floors, so I don't think I have a mouse in the truck. God bless the kitties. If we didn't have those cats, this place would have been a little mouse whorehouse. But anyways, my cement mixer is in, so I gotta go pick it up at Pure later. I want to go to PV Mart because they're closing all their stores, so I want to make sure they don't have some cement blocks there for a really good price. And I got to go to the college because they have the award winners picked and they have the pictures. So, I'm gonna go pick that stuff up so I can get these picture frames made. They need to be done by Thursday, so I got 8 days. So that's perfect. Puppies. Hey, you stay here. I'd prefer it on the grass.
Oh.
That's one. I have 10 more to go.
Yeah, you just gotta stay looking at it until you're done eating. The ball?
Yeah.
Hi, baby girl. You all done? Okay. No, you gotta come up here. Okay, so you push, push, push.
We gotta dump in this one. Look at all of our little cute kitties. Good girl, Beth. Hold on, Andy. How you doing? Stick your hand in there and tear that hole some more. Pull it up. Andy. Yep. Pull, Leo. Pull it up. Kind of gets stuck, doesn't it? We're getting some cat food everywhere. Hey, Beth? No, but hey, it's fine. Leo. Don't hit him in the head. Did he get? Can you soften this one up a little, Leo? Good job. Okay, that's good. Yep. I made it. Oh, you cuties.
Watch out,
Oh, you cuties. Watch your fingers. You gotta line it up.
Hey, Daddy, stop.
Good job, Leo. Hey, you did really good. You fed them all mostly by yourself, buddy.
Now they're all fed. Bye-bye. There's a blue tower.
Sure is. Combine, right?
Yeah. That's made her Starfield and milkshake.
Beth, can you say milkshake? Can you say Garfield? Can you say Garfield? Kitties. Okay, should we close the door? Watch your figgies. You're pretty fast, Leo.
Yeah.
Oh, wipe out. You're okay. You're okay. Mommy's here. It's okay. Oh, Andy almost fell out. Oh, Andy almost fell out. You're okay. Good girl. High five. Good job. Good girl.
It was so funny.
Yeah.
Let's go eat, Wally.
Andy. Can you drop this?
Just wait, Beth. He's putting the mat under.
Move, Daddy.
There you go.
Yes.